Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? This is Sir Ahmed, the Spanish maestro, with a new class for you. Today I'm going to teach you the pretérito indefinido in Spanish, or the past perfect tense. How we construct and how we form the past perfect tense in Spanish. The past perfect tense is called the pretérito indefinido. It is used when we are talking about certain events that happened and finished in the past. For example, last night, yesterday, or 2 days back, things like that. When there's a fixed time involved during which something happened and took place and finished, that's when we use the pretérito indefinido. How do we form the pretérito indefinido tense in Spanish? AR has one rule for endings. ER and IR have another rule for the endings. They are not very difficult. Please pay attention and learn them. AR verbs, what do we do? Again, we follow the same conjugation rule. We remove the AR, and for yo, we add the A with an accent mark on it. To, we add ASTA, aste. El, ella, and usted, we add the O. Nosotros, we add amos. Now, please note that the present tense and the pretérito indefinido tense in Spanish is exactly the same. Okay, so the pretérito indefinido is the same as the present tense for AR verbs. And ellos and ustedes, we add aron, A-R-O-N. Okay, now for the example of hablar. Yo hablé, I talked. Tú hablaste, you talked. Él habló, he talked. Ella habló, she talked. Usted habló, you talked. Nosotros hablamos. Now you see it's same as the present tense. We spoke or we talked. Ellos hablaron, they talked, and ustedes hablaron, they talked. Okay, so this is how we form AR verbs. I'll give you another example. Tomar. Okay, tomar will become yo tomé. Tú tomaste. Él tomó, ella tomó, usted tomó. Nosotros tomamos, ellos tomaron. ER and IR verbs, what do? We remove the ER and the IR from the endings, and for the yo we add the I. Okay, it's yo comí for ER verb. Tú comiste, we add the ISTE. Él, ella, usted comió, we add the IO. Nosotros comimos. Okay, now the endings for the nosotros in ER and IR verbs are IMOS. This is the slight difference. So nosotros comimos, ellos comieron, we add the IERON. So yo comí, tú comiste, él comió, ella comió, usted comió, nosotros comimos, ellos comieron. Okay, so this was an ER example. I'll give you another example. Beber. Yo bebí, tú bebiste, él bebió, ella bebió, usted bebió. Nosotros bebimos, ellos bebieron, ustedes bebieron. The last formation, IR verbs. It has the same endings as the ER verb, so viví will become yo viví, I lived, tú viviste, you lived, él vivió, he lived, ella vivió, she lived, usted vivió, you lived, nosotros vivimos, we lived, ellos vivieron, they lived. So these are the endings, these are the three verb formations for AR, ER, and IR in the pretérito indefinido. Now some examples. I'll give an example with an AR verb. Yo hablé con Juan ayer. I spoke to Juan yesterday. Now yesterday is a fixed time it happened and it finished yesterday, so we'll use this tense. Yo hablé con Juan ayer. Juan habló ayer en la conferencia. Juan spoke yesterday in the conference. Juan y María hablaron mucho anoche. Juan and Maria spoke a lot last night. These are three examples of AR verb. Now ER and IR verbs. ER verb, comer. Comí pizza anoche. I ate pizza last night. Comí pizza anoche. Ellos comieron bien en la fiesta. Ellos comieron bien en la fiesta. They ate well in the party. Yo viví muchos años en Montevideo. Now it's an example of IR. Yo viví, I lived. Muchos años en Montevideo. I lived many years in Montevideo. Juan vivió 3 años en Francia. Juan vivió, Juan lived. Juan vivió 3 años en Francia. Juan lived 3 years in France. Okay, so these are examples. Okay, now how will you do? I'll give an example of another IR verb, salir. Yo salí, tú saliste, él salió, ella salió, usted salió, nosotros salimos, ellos salieron. Okay, I went out last night. Yo salí anoche. Juan went out last night. Juan salió anoche. We went out last night. Nosotros salimos anoche. Juan and Maria went out last night. Juan y Maria salieron anoche. So I hope you understood these formations. Please leave your comments or questions in the comment section and I will answer them gladly for you. Muchas gracias. I'll see you in my next class, friends. Adios.